rainbows. Rainbows is shiny.
So we're back with another PC building video. It's been a while since we've built a PC, but here we are, we're back at it again and we're up in full throttle. Before we start, I'm going to be testing my son, also my daughter, to see if they know any of these components. I'll be surprised to know if my son still remembers any of these parts because it's been such a long time. So what would you say that this is?
Power supply.
High five. Excellent. Sana, what is this?
High supply.
High
Power
five.
supply.
High five.
Supply.
What is this?
PC case.
Say that again.
PC case.
High five. Sana, what is this?
PC case.
High five. Okay, Zion, what is this?
He was a mouse.
Sinai, what is this?
PC mouse.
High five, everybody.
PC mouse.
Yeah.
I said RAM.
It's called RAM. Sinai, what is this called?
RAM.
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 Okay, high five.
I said RAM.
No, she said RAM. She said RAM. Fine, high five. Okay, and what is this in the back? Right at the back. Up.
No, I don't remember. Monitor.
Yeah. What is this?
Monitor.
Okay, high five. Well done, okay?
Okay.
So in here we have the motherboard and the APU. I managed to get this as a bundle. I looked around many places for a GPU and the prices were just too extortionate. So I just went with an APU instead. Are we ready?
Yes!
We're ready to start building the PC?
Yes!
We all put our thumbs up to the camera. Yeah.
There's big thumbs up.
We're all around the table as a family, so we're gonna be spending some time together building this PC. We're gonna move this to the side. We don't need the keyboard and mouse at the moment, so we're gonna put that to the side. We don't need the monitor at the moment,
We're gonna just need it.
so we're gonna put that down there for now. And we don't need this at the SSD at the moment. We're putting that down. We're gonna need the RAM, so we're gonna leave that here. Don't need the power supply at the moment, so this is going down here. We don't need that right now. We don't need that. We're gonna open this. So Zion, I want you to open it. Take your time, okay?
Okay. There's some tape. I can pick up too.
Take your time with it. You don't need to take. Nah, Zion. It's okay. Leave that tape. Leave it. What you have to do is open it from the bottom here, okay? Okay. Big up CCL Computers, which I managed to pick this bundle up from. And here we've got a motherboard, we've got the fan, and underneath this fan we have the APU. So Zion, what is this?
Motherboard.
Sinai, what is this?
Motherboard.
The motherboard, okay? So we have 16 gigabytes of RAM, random access memory, which we're going to clip into the motherboard.
Yes. Wow.
Okay. All together, it's 16 gigabytes of RAM. Okay. So what's 8 plus 8?
16.
8 plus 8 is how much?
16 gigabytes.
Gigabytes. Okay. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Alright? Make sure it's the right side first. Okay. So this one's just gonna slot down nice and easily in here. Hold it on each side. On both sides like this. Very calmly. Hold up, does this come out? Okay, so that needs to come down first. Then it just slots in nicely. So that's flattened first. And also the other side, okay?
Okay.
You think you can do that? So push it in that side first. Okay, and then push it down here. There we go. So now we have inserted the RAM.
Wow.
You see?
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.
Eh? How was it, man?
That was fun.
Were you nervous?
No.
Was you a little bit nervous? You confident?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got that done. Now we're gonna move on.
Move on.
We are now going to move on to opening
PC.
the
Case.
PC case.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Lift. Where's your muscle?
Oh.
Lift.
I'm strong. Then I need some help.
You need help? Okay, let's do it together. 3, 2, 1. Slowly shimmy it. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Shimmy. What? Wait there, wait there, wait. Alright, we're gonna slide off the plastic wrap. PC case. On this side, so we have to be very careful with this because this is delicate, okay?
Okay.
Unscrew. Okay, unscrew the rest with your hand. There we go. Keep going. Yeah, and then unscrew it with your hand. Okay, excellent. Okay, do it slowly.
Oh.
Okay, so give it to me. Handle with care. Right, Zion, you're gonna help me take off these two. Actually, you can do it with your hands. There you go. So take off one. Okay, there we go. So that comes up. And this goes. Screw them. The screw them are come. The screw. And what we're looking for is this.
Wire.
See, before we put the motherboard into the PC, we first need to connect this to the case.
This yellow.
Right there. This is going to be attached right here, and then that's when we're going to be ready to put the motherboard in the PC. Alright? So, are we ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay, leave it now.
Tell me a magnet. Magnet.
Okay, in goes the motherboard.
And goes rubber. Nails and clothes.
Okay, there we go. So now the motherboard has been screwed into the PC case. One fan there.
One fan down.
Two fan. Okay, so we've got all three fans now, which we're gonna screw.
Screws.
Yeah, these are the screws which we're gonna use to screw the fans into the PC case.
Sana did it. Sana did put a diaper. Yes. I put a diaper.
You're gonna put it cyanide?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna have to change the nappy now.
No,
Yes.
Daddy.
I'm going to change your nappy. It's smelly bum bum. Smelly bottom. I'm just gonna quickly finish this fan. Ah! Press it to me, Dad. So now it's time to connect all the wires. I'll get back with you guys when all of the wires are connected to the motherboard. So now the only thing we have left to do is to add the SSD drive and also the power supply, and then we're good to go. What I want you to do is open up the power supply, okay?
I can take out these.
Okay, excellent. And now I need to open up the box.
Oh,
Remember, take your time, okay?
there's no layers to open.
No, think about it. Look at the box. Look around it to see if there's a way where you can open it. No. Okay?
There's no way.
Good try. But look, what's this right there? Got the flap.
Wow!
And what is this now?
The thing.
Here we have the 500 watt power supply. So we're gonna hook this up to the PC case right away.
Hey, instructions.
Let's go.
Look, that's constructions.
Yeah. Construct, you mean instruct? The manual.
You don't need.
Where does this go? Do you know?
Where does this go?
Where does this go?
No.
The power supply.
Where does this go? This power supply.
Yeah, I'm asking you.
I'm asking you.
Eh? You can't ask me.
You can ask me.
Why are you copying me?
Why are you copying me?
What?
What?
My name is Zayn and I smell.
My name is Zion and I smell.
My name is Zayn and I smell like pee pee.
My name is Zion and I smell like poo-poo.
What? So we're gonna put this right here, okay?
So you're gonna put this right here. Okay.
There we have it.
There we have it.
So that's in.
So
Zayn,
that's
you gonna help me do the screwing?
Zion, they're gonna help me do the screwing.
Well done. You're building the PC.
No.
Yeah, you are. You're helping Daddy build a PC. Well done. Oh, what I'm doing is stabilizing it, but she's actually like spinning it and using the muscle power to turn it.
Daddy.
That way. Oh. Okay, that's all done now. Well done. Hey, high five. High five sign. Well done.
Hey. That's who did this.
Now we're connecting all of the wires from the power supply to the motherboard. Let's go. Done all of the wiring, everything on this PC is done. What I might do is get an extension cable, a white extension to put there to make it look a lot neater. Three, 2, 1, go!
Wow!
What?
Rainbow! Yay!
Rainbow PC! So it looks like this is on. Now time for the monitor. How do you turn this on? I don't know. Okay, so now here on goes the monitor. Alright, good job for today, guys. You've done a very good job helping me out. Okay?
Bye!
Safe. Good job. Sinai. High five. Safe. Good job, okay?
Okay.
Good job, guys.